Good day, everyone. This is second part of type of Alkanol. So this is secondary Alkanol. As you can see, I've circled the functional group there, and this type of Alkanol has just one hydrogen atom. So attached to the carbon that possess the functional group, which is OH, just one hydrogen directly attached to it. So it is secondary Alkanol. Now I told you yesterday that when it has two or three hydrogen, it is primary Alkanol. So this Alkanol is secondary Alkanol. It has one hydrogen atom, just one hydrogen atom. So I want to carry out the oxidation process now. I will write it down so that we can see it. So oxidation process is removal of hydrogen atom. Removal of hydrogen atom, just hydrogen atom. So it undergoes just one phase of oxidation, just one phase. You will see it now. So I use O to represent oxidation process. So now see how I will remove the hydrogen atom now. You will see how it will be removed. So that's first hydrogen, then the second hydrogen on that same carbon. So one hydrogen from OH, then one hydrogen from the carbon. Okay, so we have CH3 there. I will just write my CH3 back. So then I have CH2, the following, then I have CH3, then I have just oxygen left after I've removed two hydrogen that I'm touching. You can see it there. So I have just, so not to violate the tetravalency of carbon, carbon must have four bond. So that carbon must have four bond. And you can see when I'm counting, I have one, two, three bond. So it must have four. So I put the fourth bond on the oxygen. Oxygen can take four bond. So you can see now the compound has transformed from being secondary alkanol to alkanone now. Alkanone. So that's the compound there that's transformed to alkanone. So now I want to name that alkanol so that from there we can name the alkanone that we just formed now. So I count the number of carbon. They have four carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So and the functional group is on carbon number 2. As you can see, I will call it butan 2 on carbon number 2. So I label it 2, 1, 2. So butan 2 off. So that's butan 2, or it is secondary alkanol. And the compound form after the oxidation is also 4 carbon member. It is butan 2 on being alkanone. So that's the oxidation of secondary alkanol. It undergo oxidation to give us that. So thank you.